All right, this is how to quickly upscale an image, all right, or a design you have in Microsoft Paint free of charge. There are some things we need to do. First, let me show you the image I'm talking about here. So in the downloads folder here, and look at this file I call Learn Cybersecurity. Is a design I want to use to create t-shirts, mugs, and the rest. Okay, on one online platform. You can see this design how it looks like. Say everyone can learn cybersecurity. But I want to remove this background. All right. And once I remove the background, it may lose a little bit of quality. Just go with me so that you see how we are going to upscale it at the end of the whole thing. All right. So I'll close this. I'll open my web browser. So do the same. Then I will visit remove.bg. All right. Enter. All right. So I'll click on upload to pick the picture, the design. Look at it here. I'll click there and I will select open. So you see how this background will be removed so that once it's placed on a product, it will match perfectly. All right, so let me click on download. You can see now here now, this is 441 by 566. All right, but if I want upscaled one, which is 1556 by 2000, I have to pay. That's why I say unlock. I have to pay for it. But let's just use this free version. After that, we use Paint to upscale it. That's the message I want to teach you here. So I'll go with this, and it has been downloaded into my PC. Let me now launch my Paint app. I'll click here, and type Paint. All right. It will show up. I'll select it. So once I'm on this page, what I need to do is to import that picture, that design into this place. I'll click on File, click on Open, navigate to Downloads folder, then look at it here. I'll click on it and click on Open. You can see it has been placed here. But remember, let me open the browser so that you see the options they gave us again. That's 1556 by 2000. All right, I'll click here. Then once this is selected, just as you can see right now, it's selected. That's why you have these small squares by the edges. All right, so click on this, okay, where you have resize and skew. Then percentage is selected by default. Click on pixels. Then let's type that value 1556. This one is assigned automatically, which is 1997, which is approximately 2000. So we're going to work with it because of this thing that's changed. Once you're entering this value here, it determines what this place is going to be so that everything will match. Then after that, click on OK. You will see now this has been upscaled. All right. And I have to save this right now. So if I click on File, click on Save As, all right, select PNG picture. Then I'll select the folder where I want to save it now. I want to save it in YouTube Shopping here. Then I will call this Learn Cyber Security. All right, that's the name of this design, Cyber Security. Okay, so it's for cyber security lovers. Security. All right, so with this, I can do what? Click on save. So once I get to the platform where I want to have this on different products, it will match perfectly.